grape, Welch's, fruit of the loom. What's up, y'all? My name is Barbara Atewe. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, honestly, I was feeling purple. I was over the Valentine's Day looks. I was over it. I didn't want to do no more red, pink, or whatever pertains to Valentine's Day. So I chose a color, in this case, purple, and went from there. So if you like what you see, please be sure to continue watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! So to start, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Makeup Revolution Concealer in the 5 Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C12.5. So I'm going to take the Morphe 39M Boss Smooth palette, and I'm going to go into this middle shade right here called FOTD, so I'm assuming that's Face of the Day. I'm just going to place that and use that as a transition color using this fluffy brush from my Amazon brush set. Taking that same fluffy brush, I'm going to go into the Morphe 15S Social Butterfly palette, and I'm going to go into this shade here, hashtag Makeover. Taking this angled fluffy brush, I'm going to go into the shade right here from the Morphe 35M Boss Smooth palette. It is the shade Transformer. Just really pack on the color. And then I'm just going to put that in the crease. Taking the Morphe M321 brush, I'm going to go into the shade Transformer again. Just going to really pack it on and go into a tinge of Black Magic. Taking the Morphe M330 brush, I'm not adding any more product, I'm just going to sweep it to blend across the crease. Next, I'm going to cut my crease, and to use that, I'm going to be taking the same concealer from earlier, the Makeup Revolution Concealer in the 5 Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C12.5. Taking this It's My Rare by BH Cosmetics number 8 brush, I'm going to go into this shade right here from the BH Cosmetics Takes Me Back to Brazil palette. It's just this matte purple. For my lid color, I'm going to go into the shade Daredevil from the Morphe 39M Boss Smooth palette, taking this It's My Rare by BH Cosmetics number 8 brush.
Just a quick pause. If you're enjoying the video so far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell for notifications on future uploads. Back to the video.
So for concealer, I'll be mixing two. I'm going to be using the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shades Toffee and Cocoa. So to set my face, I'm going to be taking Laura Mercier's Loose Setting Powder in the shade Medium Deep Translucent and the ColourPop Loose Setting Powder in the shade Translucent as well. Taking my e.l.f. 101 brush and the NYX No Filter Finishing Powder in the shade Cocoa, I'm going to use it to sweep up the excess powder on my face. Taking this Morphe M149 brush, I'm going to go into the shade Transformer from the Boss Smooth palette and just press that on my lash line, on my waterline. Taking the shade FOTD with the Morphe M222 brush, I'm just going to go in and sweep that under the Transformer shade. I don't know why I cannot talk today. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm going to go into the shade Luna, this shade right here. taking the e.l.f. smudge brush, I'm going to go into the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats Diamond Balm. I'm just going to put that in the inner part of my waterline. So for blush, I'm going to be taking the Sephora Blush Me Cream. Yeah, Blush Me Cream in the shade Out of Control. I'm just going to lightly put it on my cheeks. So for highlighter, I'm going to be going into the Diamond Balm How Many Carats by Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to lightly dust this across my cheeks. To set my face, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Lord. I'm going to be taking the Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the shade Molasses. And to fill in my lips, I'm going to be taking the Lip Lingerie in the shade Honeymoon. Alright, so this is the final look. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Okay, Barbara's good.